Hi guys, welcome to the Indian Meeple channel. Today we are going to unbox Dragon Castle. Now this is a Mahjong style game and the box is really heavy. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing. And it's from one of my favorite publishers, CMON. I call it CMON, people call it CMON. Sorry if I said it incorrectly. So that's Dragon Castle. Let's open the box. Cool. So we have an extra baggie. I love Ocean Explosion. I've been playing this game online since the lockdown. And here we have the rulebook. These are the components, the setup. Now they do have different setups which you can do. Explains the game turn, shows you how to play, put shrines up. I played it online, I think once or twice on PGA, and this is what I love. You can actually have different setups and they do explain what is good for 2 players, 3 players and so on. I used to play Mahjong, as a kid on my PC. This kind of reminds me of that. And a nice end of game scoring reference sheet on the back of the rulebook. These are your boards where you're actually placing your Mahjong tiles. Each one has its own artwork. A very oriental design. Then you have all these point tokens. First player marker. I'll be punching them out. And here we have how to basically place it. So this is the normal version of the game where you place it according to the numbers given here. So this is for 3 players, this is for 4 players, this is for 2 players, and also we have this blank side. You can create your own configurations which you are shown in the rule book, so you can actually place it like you want to. And this is what I love. These are the Mahjong tiles and they are heavy and really good. I love the insert in the box. You can place everything in the right spots. So let's just open these up. That really feels good. Tiles have a nice back and a nice design. They have a bit of depth to them, so it won't basically rub off. I like those. I got a bag full of them. Here we have the, what do you call them, temple roofs. So these pieces, once you have actually placed them on your boards, okay, I'm placing them wrong, but yeah, once you place them on the board, you can actually put them like that, and they really do look like temples, and you score based on the height. It looks amazing. And finally, you have the cards. So I'll just try to open them. They are really shrink wrapped there. Cool. So here are the cards. Really nice matte finish to them. This is basically telling you how differently you can score them out. Temple next to temple. And these are, I think, certain powers with animals that you could actually do. Yeah, really looks nice. A lot of animals actually. I've only seen 3. I'm seeing the eagle now. And the rat. And this is basically endgame scoring. So these are like helper cards that you can keep next to your board. So that's been the heavy unboxing for Dragon Castle. If you do like the video, please subscribe, follow India Meeple. Thanks for watching.